What should you do when someone asks for help? Panhandling can be found in most areas of Fairfax County, generating many questions and complaints from our residents. Asking for money is a protected act under the First Amendment, allowed in public areas, such as roadway medians. It can feel good to help someone in need, but what does providing help really mean? The reality is that cash donations to someone who is panhandling will not truly help support that person in the long term. So what can you do to help? Fairfax County has many available services and staff dedicated to helping those in need. The county offers individuals and families in need of assistance with food, shelter, clothing, transportation, healthcare, employment, mental health, substance use, and developmental disabilities. You can help us help them by referring people who panhandle or anyone you see who may be in need to our critical services. Print and share the Human Services handout available in multiple languages and connect people to real help. You can also donate to one of our nonprofit community partners who are dedicated to assisting our residents in need, or consider volunteering your time. Volunteering is far more than doing a good deed. It's a way to develop skills, learn more about career options, make professional contacts, socialize, and importantly, have an impact on your community. So the next time someone asks for help, remember, help provide lasting, sustainable assistance by connecting those who panhandle to Fairfax County services.